I know you did. And I know how you knew, though. I know how you knew. No, you're not. I know how you knew.
Yeah, guys, on Sunday, actually, the Big Brother NAIJA eviction show. Not okay, no, it's not even eviction show now. It's Wildcat show. Kick-started as all the housemates has concluded in their mind that J. Paul and Liquor Rose happened to be the wildcats in their own head. It was so amazing how every other person's in the house, how every other 18, not even 18 this time around, how every other 16 persons in the house, aside J. Paul and Liquor Rose, and aside the two wildcats themselves, get to go around trying to convince themselves that Liquor Rose and J. Paul are actually the wildcats. It was so amazing how Saga, Irene, and Peace, how this, even Nini, how these people will just go. The two wildcats are sitting down on their own, which happens to be Maria and Pere, sitting on their own, and they just carry gist and go there. See, let me tell you, I know who those wildcats are. I know the reasons. I'm being convinced. And let me tell you, okay, just look at Liquor Rose. Why would Big Brother bring someone that is verified on Instagram? Look at, she's a dancer. She's this. Okay, just look at Jipo. Jipo, look at him now. Look at his status. Is his status you're using to judge whom the wildcats are? Big Brother already gave you a cue. Watch. But their erosion will not let them to the erosion will not let them to watch. He said, watch, they will come in one after the other. Do you know one thing I also observe? After that particular diary section with Big Brother, these two wildcats became closed all of a sudden. I don't know if you guys saw it with me. All of a sudden, Maria and Pere became close, of which it was never from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Then we are seeing day 6, 7, 8. They are now closed just after the diary section with Big Brother, and they never saw this. It was a very, very clear one for you to have been able to pick them. Irojo will not let you. Fine girl will not let you. I see fine girl. You don't want her to leave the house. Okay, guys, it was so amazing how these two people were able to pull the trick in the house. Seriously, they really did a nice job. Thumbs up to you, Maria. Thumbs up to you, Perry. Yeah, it was also amazing because the two people, their strategies were quite very, very different. If you observed very well, Maria didn't really get involved in the whole hunting. She wasn't involved in the search. She wasn't searching. She wasn't discussing. She wasn't mentioning anybody's name. She wasn't saying, I feel is this person, I feel is this person. No. But she was very, very objective to any person any of the housemates brings to her. Okay, even when they brought Beatrice, they were like, Beatrice, didn't you see? She was crying. She was doing what? She was talking about Monday. You see me here. I'll show up myself. She was like, in her own aspect, she just see Beatrice as a very boring person, and she has low self-esteem. And every other person brought to her, she was always giving one or two. But she never mentioned one person that I think or I feel this person is the wildcat. That was her game, man, and she did it superb. And trust me, to me, maybe if I was in the house, I would have actually watched carefully to that, because every other housemate you meet, they must mention one name. But Maria was one person that didn't mention a name. That was her strategy, and it really worked. Thumbs up to you, Maria. We are in the house together with all the housemates. Okay, this is Pere's strategy.
Pere, what's up?
Hey, I'm good, my man.
You had a very long week, didn't you? How did you handle all of this?
It was very challenging. I had to be under the radar. I had to be stealth.
Did you think they were going to figure you out?
No, because I really had to be very manipulative. I had to get in conversations with everybody to know exactly what they were thinking, get in their heads. And I'm sorry, guys.
Pere's strategy at the start of the whole thing, he was even the one getting involved. He will be the one to even bring the topic. This white kite's in now they're the sea and blah, blah, blah. At a point, he calmed down, but they were bringing it to him, And now, at the point where they were bringing it to him, he was not suggesting, okay, if they bring a name to him, he say, don't you think this person? Don't you see this person? Or what did you think about this person? What did you think about this person? Bringing ideas. Although his game at the point he almost flopped at the point, because I think like 3-2 people were able to depict that he was the wildcat. In fact, it was so amazing how White Money was so sure and convinced that, no, Pere is the white cat, but for the lady, I don't know who is she. But for Pere, I'm very, very sure. Yeah, because I think even at the point, if you could see Saga also was like, I knew he was one, but not trust in you, skill him. Trust, not big game. For you to put a trust in a game, for you to put trust in a game, mado guy, but you get mind though. For you to trust person inside game, all of them they play together, you they trust person. So if they trust them, now you say you know one win now, any which way. That's how the whole thing played out, and these two guys really tried. Okay, we could even see where Maria and Pere were trying to have a discussion, and Maria almost bluffed, like she didn't really know what Pere was thinking about, when Pere was like, there's a secret two of us are hiding or something like that.
Do we need to spill our secrets?
Are those secrets?
The handwriting.
Wow.
Wait a second. Wait, come back in.
Handwriting.
Wait, what handwriting? What
I'll
handwriting?
just leave it at that. Because I'm not like you, just talking all this other extra shit.
Do we have secrets? Okay, he's really making stuff up. Look, the cameras are watching us.
I don't give a
Maria never understand her. Like she didn't put, but I think she was able to get that in time. If not, Castle for bus too. Okay, guys. The eviction show, Ebuka came up and addressed everybody. Big Brother had to pick the head of house based on the conclusion of everybody in the house on whom they think the wild card is. Tana, here they go, and they had to pick J. Paul and Liquor Rose. I loved the way the game played out. It wasn't that Big Brother had to mention whom this wild card or Ebuka had to call the wild card. No. After this, the head of house mentioned after the head of house mentioned Liquor Rose and J. Paul, they stood up, and then Ebuka was like, could the two wild cards stand up from their feet? Because Big Brother has already said it before that these two wild cards, they know themselves. Yes, they know themselves. I cannot be a wild card and I wouldn't know I'm the wild card. So why would I panic when I know I'm not the wild card? Why would I be panic of going out? At most, I'll just be panic that if the wild card could be my friend at the moment in the house. But whatever, if she leaves, but in a game it's a game of chance. Either you win or you lose. Anyhow, we ball out, we roll together. After the house, we become friends again. No, that's my own idea to the whole game. Yeah, but Ebuka was like, would the two wild cards stand up? And here comes Pere and Maria. They just stood up on their feet and the whole house were like, wow. You could see the shock in their eye. Like, I could literally see the way Peace was like, Saga was like, and he has been the ringleader. He was really trying to convince people that J. Paul and Oga, be calming down. You know that boy, he's something. He talks too much. He has said he talks too much, and this is talk too much. It's not. It's sealed. I didn't say anything, no. Yeah, guys, they stood up and all the housemates had to congratulate them. Like, these guys did a good game. And yeah, now J. Paul and Liquor Rose are actually immune for eviction next week. It's one of the advantage that they have. And then the two head of house are actually immune for eviction. So we have 18 people left for eviction. Okay, who is the 2, 1, 3, 5 persons that would be leaving the house next week Sunday? Yeah, guys, until next time, stay glued to your phone, your internet, your YouTube. It's still your #1 favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Please, if you're watching my video for the very first time, do well to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on your notification bell. Please and please. Until next time, keep it tuned. Okay? Bye.